in 1930, there was an air race to see basically who could be the fastest airplane on the Earth. And by doing so, that would have been essentially the fastest man-made object ever to have been on the Earth. Perhaps the fastest thing on Earth, if we, I don't know, I'm sure some projectiles from volcanoes, lightning, obviously, but the fastest man-made thing ever to have existed on this planet. It would be difficult for us to ship the winner of that race to you, which was the Laird Solution. It won the Thompson Trophy Race, and it went an amazing 201.9 miles per hour back then. We're looking at almost 100 years ago. We can't ship that to you because I think it'd be prohibitively expensive to pack up and to ship via UPS, but we can do the next best thing, and that is to bring you this 1/48 scale. So I'm going to show you the outside first. We'll show you the box. If you care about such things, we'll give you a size marker on it so you can see exactly how big the box is. Again, I don't know, for shipping purposes, that might give you information. Here's a little bit of interesting information about that race in Cleveland. Here is the box itself. You can see it's made by Entex. We'll show you one more time. It's made in Japan. A little bit more information, probably a repeat of the other one. And then there you go. Now, oh man, I was gonna say, we'll show you what's inside, but we're not gonna, oh boy. So these appear to be, they've just lost the tape completely. Yeah, I believe that's just fallen right off. I was going to show you what was inside, but I think we can be reasonably assured, yes, these are still sealed. So the last piece of tape on each one remains there. You can see what's happened here over time. So when were these made? Not in the 1930s. I don't know when these would have been made. Here's the copyright information. And the fact that it has no booperator on it, no UPS, tells me that it was probably 60s or 70s is when this kit would have came out and hasn't been opened yet. But as happens, I don't want to put too much stress on it now. Now I'm worried. The tape is just fallen off, I believe. But luckily, it's still held on in the center, which is fantastic. And that tells me that either somebody did a really, really good job of resealing it back up. That is very possible. I won't rule it out, but I think that this is original. And just the fact that, I don't know if you can hear that, it's got a pretty solid shake to it, rather than rattling, telling me that there's little tiny pieces off their sprues and runners. So this is a much better piece than I had thought. Turns out it's 1/48 scale, and even though we're not going to be able to show you what's inside, that's okay, because you're going to be the first to open it up, take it out, make your model kit, fly it around. Will you get it to 201.9 miles per hour? Sure, why not? But this is a fantastic piece. If you want to find out what is inside of it, you can head on over to TheBigToyAuction.com. Leave your pre-bids right now or join us live on auction day. We'll see you at the auction.